So I wrote this book, this 5,000 emphasis on smiles and in happiness. I started talking about, I heard that a couple of times come up. And what this is are memoirs or journeys of all my global travels and how I started smiling again and became happy again after realizing the simpler things in life, right? So one of the stories that I'll talk through here too, like I said, I was making 6 figures in this corporate job, working in the energy field in Princeton, New Jersey. Great life in downtown Princeton, right next to Princeton University. But it was like how I decided to leave, walk away from that. There's a lot of power and drive to get yourself to quit. So I'll take you through that story later. But how I moved from that to living in Nicaragua in a community with no running water, no electricity, having to go outside and use the bathroom in the latrine at 4 o'clock in the morning with a flashlight, having to use a jigging board to wash my clothes, having to walk to work 1 mile walking every single day. You know, in Princeton, New Jersey, I drove in my car. I'm one of those people that when you go to the supermarket, you have to park right in front of the door. And I'll soak around Walmart until I find the spot right in front of the door, you know? So it's like moving from that to having to walk. But it was, and I'll repeat this again later, but it was, I actually revamped my whole life. I started losing weight, which I needed to do. I started eating healthier because they're not antibiotics and all these chemicals, you know, you're eating from the natural. So I'll take you through that journey too. But it was really, really powerful to look at what I thought we were told what life is supposed to be like, you know. Nice house, nice apartment, nice car, making good money. But this happiness factor wasn't there, right? So it's like, how do I move from that to go into living really, really simple in Nicaragua? But my happiness came from the energy within people.